Today we're in a completely different corner of my sewing room and I'm so excited. I'm over the moon, literally, on this acquisition, and I just couldn't resist. Get it? Over the moon. Yes, that's merch t-shirt I have, but I am over the moon because you guys, I found a vintage sewing machine that I've always dreamt about. It's just everything that I think of when I think of a sewing machine. My mom had one of the old hand crank singers, and this one is a 1921 red eye singer, Singer 66. I want to bring you along on this journey. I want to refurbish this. It does run. It has really shoddy wiring, so my goal is to take it all apart and refurbish it and clean it, service it. I can't tell you how many hours of videos I've watched on YouTube about servicing these beautiful old machines. I even dream about it at night. Strange, I know, but it is just so amazingly exciting. That makes me think of fairy tales and, I don't know, princesses, people sewing. Maybe the princesses weren't sewing, but in my mind, it just makes me think of childhood and happy storybooks.
Rebecca likes to sew, pins lined up in a row. Thread by thread she makes it new, turning scraps to something true. She posts it on her YouTube, shows the steps that cuts the glue. Morning light across the table, hands so steady, hands so able. And the room comes alive with every stitch she guides. Two girls watch from the door, wanting one more. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, make it shine, let it grow. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, from the heart to the hem. You know, Rebecca sew. Samson's by the window, Nikita on patrol. Two German shepherd shadows keeping pace with the show. Sophia grabs the ribbon, Isabella holds the thread. Laughter in the hallway while she works ahead. And the room comes alive with every stitch she guides. Two girls watch from the door, wanting one more. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, make it shine, let it grow. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, from the heart to the hem. You know, Rebecca sew. A little tear, a little seam, she mends it back like it was a dream. Strong hands, warm hands, building little plans. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, make it shine, let it grow. Rebecca sew, Rebecca sew, from the heart to the hem. You know, Rebecca sew.